Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to integrate Codeium with GitHub. This integration will help streamline your workflow by allowing Codeium to assist you with code completion directly within your GitHub projects. So let's get started. First, ensure that you have a Codeium account and the Codeium extension installed in your code editor. If you have not done this yet, check out my previous tutorials on how to set up Codeium and install its plugins. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Codeium website. Log into your Codeium account using your username and password. Once logged in, go to the integration section of your Codeium dashboard. Here you will find various options for integrating Codeium with different platforms. Now select on the GitHub integration option. You will be prompted to authorize Codeium to access your GitHub account. Now select authorize to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration process. You might need to provide your GitHub username and a personal access token. To create a personal access token, go to your GitHub account, settings. Now navigate to the developer settings and select personal access tokens. Now generate a new token with the necessary permissions. Once you have entered the required information, Codeium will be integrated with your GitHub account. You will now see your GitHub repositories listed in your Codeium dashboard. Open your code editor and navigate to a project that is linked to your GitHub account. Make sure you are signed in to both GitHub and Codeium within your editor. Codeium will now provide code completion suggestions and other AI-powered features as you work on your GitHub projects. You can manage and configure these features through the Codeium extension settings. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Codeium with GitHub. This setup will help you write code faster and more efficiently by leveraging Codeium's AI capabilities within your GitHub projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.